how to use a Maudex lock with this kind of key. Insert the key, turn it clockwise, all the way clockwise. Keep it there. Pull it out, it's unlocked. You'll notice that with this Maudex lock, you cannot remove the key until you lock it back in. Okay, it's impossible to remove the key. So you need to go ahead and lock it to whatever you need locked. Okay, all the way in. And then turn it counterclockwise to the right to lock it. Okay, once it's locked, you can pull the key out. That's it. But there's no way to remove the key until you lock it back. Watch. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. There's no way to remove the key until you lock it back. Lock it back in. Locked. Got it?